is Sergio Álvarez and I lead Work Package 3 of the SYMBIOSIS project. In Work Package 3, our goal is to develop practical tools to help integrate biodiversity into every stage of infrastructure planning and management, from design and construction to maintenance and renewal. The idea is that when we build or operate infrastructure like railway lines or energy networks, we also think about how to better protect and enhance the surrounding nature. To do this, we are creating a set of tools that can assess the benefits of using nature-based solutions, like appropriate vegetation, natural drainage systems, or multifunctional landscapes. These tools will help us measure things like how much carbon can be captured through better land use, or how certain measures can support biodiversity. This will also allow us to compare options, understand what is more effective or cost-effective, and make it easier for different stakeholders, such as railway or energy operators, to share data and collaborate. In short, Work Package 3 aims to make infrastructure not only more sustainable and climate resilient, but also a positive force for biodiversity.